Alright, Gunpachiro Kamapoko, I'm gonna bring you down!
What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Owl's Nest. Today's video, we are going to be opening the Inosuke t-shirt pop bundle. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be opening this bad boy right here. This is not my order from GameStop. I'm still waiting my order from GameStop. They have yet to actually send it from the warehouse to my GameStop, so I do not have any. I ordered two. I got this one on a Whatnot auction, so I paid like $2 or $3 over MSRP for this, so not a bad deal if you think about it, especially if you're going to get it in hand now. This is size large. You can see it right there, size large. Let's go ahead and crack this bad boy and take a look at the shirt, try it on, take a look at the pop, and then we'll just get out of here. Nice. So it looks like we have the t-shirt right here. We will try this on here in a second. Let's take a look at the pop first. There we have it right there, the Inosuke pop and t-shirt bundle, GameStop exclusive. I'm not really liking that sticker though. Yeah, I don't know, but there he is right there, unmasked, really freaking sweet. Let's go ahead and take this guy out of the box and see what it looks like. Bam, there we go, right there. Inosuke, unmasked. This is not the flocked one, like his swords. I like how in the show the swordsman made him his swords, and he just started chopping away like, I'll have it my own way there, buddy. I've actually seen somebody take the head off of this one and put it on the flocked common or flocked exclusive from Chalice and made their own quote-unquote chase. But this one is pretty cool. I really like it. It does come with a stand. Got the stand right here. So does he need a stand? Yeah, he'll need a stand because he's kind of like side heavy, top heavy, and he leans to one side, and the side that he leans to, it's kind of like lesser on this side, the other supporting side. So he will need the base stand if you're going to display him out of box. There he is on the stand. I had a little trouble putting him on the stand at first, but once I got it all figured out, he stands perfectly fine. So, and I don't think he's going to be in any action on your shelf, so he should be good on the stand as is. So there we have it, the Inosuke GameStop exclusive pop that comes with a t-shirt. Now let's try on the t-shirt. Alright, so that t-shirt looks really freaking sweet. I can't wait to actually wear it out and about to show everybody my new Inosuke t-shirt. With the power of video editing, let's try on this shirt in 3, 2, 1. Bam, and there we have it, the Inosuke t-shirt. So it is very soft and lightweight, like compared to my Ingenium shirt. This one's kind of more heavy on the like scruffly side, if that makes any kind of sense. This one is kind of light and soft. We have the t-shirt, we have the pop. What more could we ask for? I guess our original order from GameStop, that would be nice. Well, that's my time for now. I'd like to thank you for clicking and watching. Be sure to give this video a like, a comment, and a subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. On behalf of the Owl's Nest, I'll see you flock of collectors in the next one.